Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary search, which is called find the row with maximum number of ones. So you can see you have given one 2D array, okay, which has multiple rows and which consists only 0 and 1s. So the row second has maximum number of ones, which is 3, right? So the solution for this is just find the lower bound of 1, okay, for each row, and maintain the one counter which is counting the maximum number of rows for that row. Okay, so for example, for this row, what is the lower bound of 1? Okay, so what is lower bound? Lower bound is element is greater than equal to target. Okay, so my target is 1. So which is the index where I'm finding this 1? So for 00001, this is index 0 1 2 3, so it will be 3. Okay, 3. And then you just count the number of columns. So for us, number of column and number of row would be given to you, right? So m is your number of column, so just m minus lower bound of 1 for row 1, right? So it will be how many columns? 4. And what is lower bound? It is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so for this it will be 1. For this one it will be 0 1. 1 will be your lower bound, so 4 minus 1 will be 3, right? So 3 will be answer for this, 2 will be answer for this, and 0 will be answer for this. So what is the maximum? This one, 3, right? So this row is your answer, this I. So you're doing nothing. I have created one video on lower bound. Okay, so you just go and check that. You just apply binary search on the array, okay, and adjust the low and high pointer accordingly. So you will iterate the array. Okay, so for I equal to not array, actually it is matrix. So you will run one for loop from I equal to 0 to n. Okay, number of rows, where n is the number of rows. Max count initially 0, index is -1. Okay, and then you will find the lower bound for that particular matrix I. Okay, so I know maybe you know this thing, that this one is called matrix and then 0, right? And then this one is called matrix 1 row, 0th row, first row, you call it like this. And okay, now this one, okay, so you will find that first one index. Now if it is less than your number of columns, then you will just subtract it from number of columns that you will store in count ones, and if count ones is greater than maximum count, so you will update your max count, okay, and index also, and at the end you will just return the index. That's it. Thank you.